So here's the last project for last year. These are BYD 125 amp hour cells for a boat project. Not my project, somebody else's. And this has been a hellacious experience. It's taken about 7-8 months or something to get these cells all in order. Just to get them here, and then some were damaged. Like this one here. You can see it's damaged there. This one here has a bent electrode on left, the negative, because of shipping damage. Anyway, I've spent hours and hours and hours getting these things charged up and balanced. And I'll show you in the garage here. What I'm doing with these things. Beautiful, almost May weather, and it's in the minus range, so don't mind the mess. It's been so cold here, I haven't had a chance to clean the garage out, but I have to get this project going. So, as you can see, this is one half of the battery that I've assembled. These are all charged and balanced. And this is the boat project. Has a controller, motor, contactor, on and off, reverse, neutral, drive, throttle, key, the phase wires, negative and positive, and the phase wires go here. Everything's so close together, I'm not sure how this is gonna... Anyway, so these cells came with these plates, as you can see, and screws. Well, I ordered them. This is all custom stuff. So these plates are copper. These are aluminum. So what we got, you see it a bit disorganized here. I gotta charge these up, which I can't do today because it's still, well, it's too cold. So what we got is we have positive here, going all the way here, all the way there, all the way there. So it's in 3 in parallel, right? And then this will be negative, which will connect to the other battery, which will go right here. So you're going to have a connection with these Andersons. So probably I'm going to have to attach. So I'll end up making 2 connectors here. Probably 2 gauge, which is equivalent to 0 or I don't know, 1/0, and connect them. And then the negative and positive will go here and on the other end. And then after I get these all, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mock up the other one here and put them together and see if it fires this over. Should. I know there's a CAN bus associated with this, so hopefully this just works. But the biggest thing I need is a BMS. So if any of my astute readers and viewers know what kind of BMS I can attach to this, I would much appreciate it. So that's going to have to, obviously the charging solution will have to be a J1772 connector, which is around 30 amps. And that's going to have to go through the BMS, which in turn will have to, not only balance these lithium iron phosphate cells, but also determine how much of a charge to give them, for example, when they're at the end of the charge and that kind of thing. So, plus this is going to weigh That weighs, I think, around 300 pounds. So the other one will be 300, so around 600 pounds, a little bit more than that, I think. What I'm gonna have to do here for the customer is, because once I have this all mocked up and it's working, then I'm gonna disassemble it all. And then I'm gonna mark every single plate and every cell in sequence, like a Lego. And he's gonna have to put it together in that sequence. Because he has no experience with this stuff. So, and yeah, so hopefully we can get this on the ball, because this has been quite a long time going. There's all the screws that come with it, and then another plate. And these are the little tabs that go on to protect the cells from shorting. So probably another couple of videos when I do this. And see how she works. I still have to get the I think this is 1/0. What is this? Yeah, I think this is 1/0. So 2 1-gauge should be okay, just to connect the batteries. And then I'm gonna do 1/0 for the negative and positive. And yeah, and then we'll get this out of here so I can get my other projects going and clean this shop up, actually. Okay, stay tuned for a video. And as I said earlier, if anyone has any idea on a BMS for this, please comment in the comments below. I appreciate it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.